love the weather. I love the people. I love the food. I love the culture, everything. Okay. I went for a 2-mile walk today around the city, and it was pretty cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
What food? You had food? What you had to eat so far?
Well, I had breakfast, and last night I don't even remember what I ate, but they said I ate. Okay. You know, because we was partying last night.
How was the KFC?
Oh, it was delicious. It was delicious. Okay. Yeah. I haven't had KFC in a long time, so.
And you said it will not be your last time?
No, it will not be my last time.
Okay. Thank you very much. What's your name?
Darren.
Darren?
Darren Singer.
All right. See you. Okay.
I got all that.
It's a different ball. No,